Hi guys, welcome to my MVP horizontal template. I'll give you a brief glimpse into what some of these templates can do. There's a full tutorial included with the download. It's going to teach you how to insert your subjects and change the different colors and all that stuff. All my templates are very simple to change the colors. Any color changing options are labeled in yellow, so I'd simply double click, and for this one I'd use the sliders to select the color background that I wanted. It's just as easy to change the text and the colors there too, and move elements around and position them where you like them. So this is the football one. Here's a basketball one. You can see how these they got this basketball court markings in the foreground and a basketball in the background. Again, any of these colors change. With this, you can stack your players up in a big group like this, or you can keep it more simple and just do a straight line. There's all kinds of options to make your subjects fit and make an awesome image for your team. On this baseball softball one, we have the stitching going on in the background here. We also have this base that can obviously change colors using this, again, the yellow labeled there. Double click and I could pick different colors for the base. With the instant download, besides this tutorial, you're also going to get a few Photoshop documents that will enable you to print this in a variety of different sizes. The Photoshop document is going to be a 2:3 proportion that's going to easily crop down to like an 8:10 proportion if you want to. And these print great as huge banners. You can easily print a 10-foot banner with these also. Not only is there this standard file, but there is also a panoramic Photoshop document for long skinny banners too. With both those options in the download, you have nearly any size you need for these templates. Well, I hope you love them, and I hope your clients do too. Talk to you later.